ghost of Expo's past. If you're trying to get into the Expo ahead of the fans waiting in line, you're gonna have to go through me first. Wow, he's taking me literally. Well, let's see how he feels about a knuckle sandwich. Oh! That's more than a mirage reflector. Oh, he must have shorted my web shooters.
Can I help you?
Huh? Iron Man! Holy cow! Just like on my collector's cups. Only taller, because, you know, they're cups.
You're pretty excited for an intruder.
Intruder? No, I'm the guy trying to stop the intruder.
Don't you know better than to break into a tech expo? Every electronic security apparatus in the place alerted me to your presence.
What? No, it wasn't me, it was...
Talk to the hand.
No.
This should be quick.
He's trying to encase me. In an electric grid cage, just like the one on my box of Avengers Instant Oatmeal. Now, more iron. Ow.
You're faster than I gave you credit for, Spider-Man.
That's because we have to move quick if we're gonna catch the real... Wait. You know who I am?
I'm aware of you. What I'm not sure about is your intention, which is why you're coming with me.